What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my video. In today's video, I want to talk about why I stopped smoking weed. Okay, now I know this is a controversial topic. There's a lot of weed smokers out there. There's a lot of potheads out there. And I'm not hating on weed. You know, weed has its place. And I smoked weed since I was maybe 14 and I'm 25 right now. So a little bit over 10 years. Yeah, 10 years, 11 years. So yeah, a long time, on and off, you know, not every single day. But as of recently, I have been smoking every day, and I stopped smoking about 3 weeks ago. So why did I even start? I started because it was the cool social thing to do, you know? I think I was like in middle school, about to be in high school. Everybody was smoking, so I started smoking and I didn't like it. I got a lot of anxiety from it, but I just did it anyway. Over time, I got used to it, right? And it just became a habit. Anytime I was bored, I was like, let's just smoke. I bought my bong, I bought a bowl, I bought some, papers. And from then on, I was a pothead. And so you may ask me, like, why did I stop smoking weed? What brought that thought of stopping? Well, as I got older, I felt like I'm just not ambitious. I don't have drive. I have no motivation. And it's like, dude, time is passing by. I'm not going to be young forever. There's a timeline to my life. And every day as time's passing by and I'm doing nothing, you feel bad. You feel bad about yourself. At least you should hope you'd feel bad, because it's not a good thing to be lazy and to slack off and to not do what you're supposed to be doing, whatever it may be. And I was just slacking off. I was lazy. I mean, I felt crippled, like I couldn't do anything. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't. I just couldn't get myself to do it. And that's because of weed. Marijuana, it just destroys your ambition. There's almost nobody out there that's like ambitious, killing it in whatever they're doing, and they're a smoker. So you can't tell me you're going to be a high performance individual, and you're a high performance individual with weed. Marijuana, it brings down your ambition and it brings down your vibration. If you guys know anything about vibration and energy, I'll try to edit a little chart which will tell you all the different levels of vibration. The worst level is shame. That's at the very, very bottom. And at the top, it's joy, peace, or something like that, right? Enlightenment, that's what it is. Weed is it's at acceptance. Acceptance as in you accept everything for what it is. That's why you're chill, you're laid back, you can vibe. But as soon as you start to vibe higher than the acceptance phase or the acceptance energy, and you start smoking, it'll just bring you right back down, okay? And it's not just smoking, it's any drug. Alcohol will do the same thing. Alcohol brings you down even lower than marijuana. So naturally, we're supposed to be high vibration individuals. And so, like I said, I was not ambitious. I wasn't really doing much with my life. And naturally, I am an ambitious person. I am driven. I do all these things, I was playing sports and I was just doing a bunch of things in my life. And then as I was smoking weed, and the more times I would be smoking weed, I'd feel depressed. I wouldn't do much of anything, but it just became a habit. And anytime I was bored, I'd smoke. So as soon as I stopped, it's not like a day later after I stopped, I felt amazing. It took about, I want to say 2 weeks. 2 weeks for me to feel something, and I felt ambitious, and I felt like I can actually do something with my life, and I wasn't tied down, because I said I felt like I couldn't do anything even if I wanted to. It's because marijuana would bring me back down to that low vibrational state, and I just wouldn't feel like doing shit. So guys, please stop using marijuana. It does have its place. If you're depressed, seriously you're depressed, I'd smoke. It'll bring you right back up to the acceptance, and then you could chill from there. But like I said, it's kind of a crutch. It's like a crutch. So don't rely on it. Use it as a tool. Okay, that's the key. It's a tool. And once it's time to stop using the tool, you have to put it down. You have to put it down. And that's just what I didn't do. You know, I didn't put it down and I just kept using it and abusing it. So yeah, after I stopped abusing it, I felt a lot better. My vibration was higher and I felt motivated to do things. I was doing better in the gym, in my business. You can't tell me you're gonna put in the same amount of work when you're high versus when you're not high, excuse me. So if there's one takeaway from this video, it's just to stop smoking weed. If you guys have been smoking weed for a while, stop smoking. If you guys just started, don't make it a habit. You know, smoke every now and then. But if it literally doesn't serve you, like there's no point for weed to be in your life anymore, cut it out completely. And the thing is, you have to take it out of your house or your apartment. Don't have it in sight because you may have those urges. I don't have any weed in my house, you know, and when I tried to stop and I did have a little bit of weed here, I'd smoke. You know, that's just how it is. It has to be out of sight, out of mind. And it may be the same for you. So take it out of sight, don't smoke it, and you will naturally have more ambition, drive, motivation to do whatever it is you want to do. And you won't be reliant on something. Like, let's say you feel good when you're smoking weed. Guess what? You're always going to need weed to feel good. I don't want to need anything to feel good. I want to feel good naturally, just myself, without any substances. You know, that should be your goal too. You know, you need nothing except yourself. Okay? Also, using marijuana, using drugs or alcohol, it's all an escape. You are trying to escape your reality, your current reality. Maybe you have responsibilities you have to do, and you're just trying to escape it by getting high, by getting drunk, or whatever else drugs you're using. So stop escaping, you know, face your challenges head on, you know, do what you got to do, you know, don't escape life. You know, this is the only life you got. So take it serious. If this video helps you out, you know, if it motivated you to stop smoking weed, then stop, okay? Comment down below if you're on your journey, if you want to stop smoking weed. Comment down below how you're feeling, how you felt after stopping weed, how you feel now as you're smoking weed. You know, share your experiences, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next video.